across the river, in Kisslinger, you will find the only art school for glass in Austria, which guarantees the future education of our craftsmen. Now, I would like to introduce you to the various methods of making fine crystal. Glass blowing. The main ingredients of crystal are quartz sand, soda, potash and limestone, as well as a little bit of lead oxide. The materials are molten overnight at a temperature of 1,450 degrees Celsius, and working temperature is approximately 1,200 degrees. The most important tool of our glass blowers is the so-called glass blowing pipe, made of stainless steel, to work out the liquid crystal from the furnace. For assistance and shaping, we use wooden molds. These molds must always be wet to prevent the mold burning out and to make the crystal surface really shiny. For larger quantities, we also use iron molds. To obtain some colors, we use different crystal grains or powder. When the product is finished, it is placed into an annealing oven to slowly cool down. Glass painting. The crystal paint consists of fine crushed crystal powder and turpentine. The painter uses very fine pencils to apply the color onto the glass. To make the painting resistant and shiny, we fire the item at approximately 560 degrees Celsius in a special kiln. Crystal cutting. The crystal cutter works with diamond wheels in different grit sizes. The first step is the rough cut. This cut has to be redone with a finer diamond wheel. When the piece is finished, it has to be submerged into a bath of acid, so that when polished, it comes out fully brilliant. Later, for a better optical effect, we have to fill in the so-called crisscross cut.